Welcome to Bold Merit Academy tutorials. In this tutorial video, we're going to have a look at Learning Assessment Criterion 2.3 of the L4M4, Ethical and Responsible Sourcing module. Written by Jonathan O'Brien, tender assessment is a critical process in procurement. It helps organizations choose the best supplier for their needs. A well-executed assessment ensures fairness, transparency and value for money. By carefully evaluating proposals, organizations can mitigate risks and maximize the return on their investment. The first step is to thoroughly review each proposal. Check if they meet the mandatory requirements outlined in the tender document. These requirements may include experience, qualifications, or financial stability. Next, assess the quality of the proposed solution. Look for details, clarity, and a clear understanding of your organization's needs. Compare proposals side by side to identify strengths and weaknesses. Consider factors like price, quality, delivery time, and after-sales support. This comparison helps to create a short list of the most promising bids. Finally, conduct due diligence on shortlisted suppliers. This may involve checking references, verifying credentials, or conducting site visits. Weighted point systems bring objectivity to the assessment process. Each criterion is assigned a weight based on its importance. For example, price might be weighted at 30%, while quality is weighted at 50%. Suppliers' scores are then multiplied by the corresponding weight. This approach ensures that the final decision is based on a clear and defensible methodology. It also helps to eliminate bias and promote fairness in the selection process. Using a weighted point system increases transparency and accountability in procurement. ESG and ethical considerations, essential factors in modern procurement. Environmental, social, governance and ethical considerations are paramount in today's business landscape. Assess suppliers' environmental sustainability practices, such as their carbon footprint or waste management policies. Consider their social impact, including labor practices, human rights and community engagement. Evaluate their governance structure, looking for transparency, accountability and ethical business practices. Incorporate ESG and ethical criteria into the weighted point system to reflect their importance in your organization's values. Identifying added value, going beyond the basics. Added value refers to the benefits beyond the basic requirements of the tender. These could be innovative solutions, enhanced service levels, or cost-saving initiatives. Look for proposals that demonstrate a deep understanding of your organization's challenges and opportunities. Evaluate the potential impact of the added value on your operations, efficiency, or bottom line. Assign a score for added value within the weighted point system to recognize and reward suppliers who go the extra mile. Making informed recommendations, a structured approach. Once the assessment is complete, prepare a clear and concise recommendation report. Summarize the evaluation process, including the criteria used and the weights assigned. Present a ranked list of suppliers, highlighting their strengths and weaknesses. Provide a rationale for the recommended supplier, emphasizing their alignment with your organization's needs and values. Include any potential risks or mitigation strategies to provide a comprehensive overview. Contract award procedures, ensuring transparency and compliance. Follow established procurement procedures for contract award. Notify the successful supplier in writing and provide them with the formal contract documents. Debrief unsuccessful suppliers, providing feedback on their proposals and explaining the reasons for their non-selection. Maintain transparency throughout the process by documenting all decisions and communications. Ensure compliance with all relevant regulations and internal policies to maintain ethical and legal standards.